Naan babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Naan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. Today guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Baliti and particularly nandito tayo ngayon sa Jooniper and we're gonna taste authentic Persian dishes just to tell you. So ang owner nito guys, the owner and the chef himself is from Iraq.
Wow! So, international dish tayo ngayon.
International dish actually. So, let's get inside. We're gonna show you all the details and all the food na they're gonna serve us. So, samahan nyo kami po.
So, tara! Let's go!
Let's go! Alright guys, so again, thanks for joining me in this video. Actually, naka-prepare na yung mga appetizers natin. So, let's get into the table. Let's go! So once again guys, thank you for joining us. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Jooniper. Sabi ng menu nila, taste the new tasty. So I've been actually craving for this kind of food, no? The Mediterranean, Persian, Indian, something tasty na that are really strong in taste. So there you go, on our table. So we have, this is what they call cheese naan with curry. So the naan word means bread and it has a curry dip. Check that out. Wow, appetizer pa lang to guys. Let's taste it. Wow, what I like about it, it's a little spicy and then it's a little sour, but you know, there's nothing Filipino-ish taste about it. And then, you know, the bread has cheese, so it's again it's savory. One more bite. Oh wow! Again guys, if you are familiar with this dish, it's called hummus. This is baba ganoush. According to our orientation guys, this is made up from eggplant. Alright. Then let's have this. Halata naman guys, no? So hindi talaga to pagkain Pilipino. So the way you taste, the way you know, the eat it, it's different. Okay. Since it's, you know, eggplant based, parang may hawig siya sa atin dun sa tortang talong. Right? But again guys, the herbs and spices they used here, all imported from, you know, from Middle East. One more guys. Let me get another one for hummus. Wow, check that out. It's oily. And it has, you know, spices on top. Alright. Oh wow. It's a little bit lemony. That's gonna be refreshing. And I think hindi siya ganun ka-strong yung taste compared to other, you know, dish that I tasted before. Ooh, wow! Wow! Actually guys, this is just the appetizer. We're gonna get inside. They have a VIP room and a karaoke room. We're gonna check it out later. But we're gonna shock you with their food. Let's go! Okay guys, so we have come to the, you know, meat of the discussion. This is their Jooniper mixed platter. If you can see, you're not gonna believe me. This serving is just for 2 person. Ganun kalalaki yung mga serving nila dito. So, what do you have? You have your pork, a beef kebab, and a marinated chicken. Plus, you got all these dips and salad. We're gonna taste them one by one. But before that, we're gonna ask our friend Ben to do a torch, right? Before we eat it, they normally, you know, torch it, heat it, something like that. Wow, check that out. That is so... Ooh. and just like that, guys, our food becomes hot again. It brings out the oil in it. It becomes fresh again to eat. So we're gonna taste first their chicken. So again, this is already marinated, and then let's taste it as is first. Oh wow! You know what I like about chicken is when you eat it, it's really cooked, but inside it's still pinkish red. Ooh, yum. Then they told me this is the tip for the chicken, so let's try it. I guess you might recognize it as a gravy, but to tell you guys, this is not a simple gravy. It has, I don't know, it has spices and leaves in it. Wow, grabe. Alright, but this is just the beginning, guys. We're gonna ask our lovely crew to bring in the other dishes para guys to introduce you before we eat everything. So, wow. This is the chicken biryani. Grabe guys, this is just for one serving again. Okay, so what else do we have? This is? Shista wok. This is the main dish of Arabic country, my obvious observation. So you have your vegetables, your chili, tomatoes, onion, and this is a marinated chicken. And this is their salad, Persian salad. Mind you guys, this is not a potato salad, okay? And then we have mixed pita, and then in the middle, guys, you have your chicken kebab and beef kebab, and then pita, again the usual, tomatoes, onion, and a big chili here. Wow, my friend's gonna love this.
Prawn dish.
Mediterranean prawn dish. So you have 6 large prawns. Again, you have your rice and lots of chili.
Chili chicken.
Another dish came in, so this is their chili chicken. Wow. I think this is also best for pulutan.
Wonder rice.
Wonder Bite. So this is an exclusive dish dito sa Jooniper. What you have is a marinated chicken breast sandwich. So you have your bacon and mushroom and cheese. I'm gonna ask my friend Mark to join me in the table. So kakain tayo ngayon in person. We're gonna talk about everything in the table. If you have any questions or inquiries, leave them at the comment section. We're gonna try to answer them. But then again, guys, we're gonna have a feast today. So join us. So guys, typically a Persian setting, food setting, they use their bare hands to eat. So since we already cleanse our hands,
We'll use our hands to it.
yeah, okay. So where do you go first, bro? Ako.
Siyempre dito ako sa mixed platter nila.
Mixed platter. Wow.
This is
Kebab, a beef kebab.
beef kebab.
I think I'm gonna go with next is this chicken biryani. Beer. Sub-Zero beer, cerveza, guys, cerveza. Just to mind you that they have their own Sub-Zero machine. Yan, so mga drinks nila dito, guys, are -7, so you don't even need ice. Anyway, so let me go back to this chicken biryani rice. So they use authentic long grain rice, check that out. And then on top you have your garlic. You also have caramelized onion, I think. Oh yeah.
I'll try their Wonder Bite. So sabi nila, ito yung sandwich na walang bread.
Yung mga ginagamit ng flavors dito are from imported from Middle East.
So ito, puno siya ng cheese. Then may mushroom, may bacon. So the way nakakainin daw to is parang hamburger. So pagkasama-sama mo lahat, then have one big bite.
That is huge, man.
Cheese overload.
Cheese overload.
Mushroom, sarap. Pure meat, kumbaga.
Pure meat. Wow. Starting to fall in love with this chicken biryani, guys. Although I have to move on with the other dishes. Medyo, it's kinda my favorite now. Kahit na manghang yan, guys, I'm still gonna go for it. Mm. Oh, wow. So again, chili chicken, you have your cube chicken. And then it has a lot of, different kinds of spices and chili. Mm.
Yung Mediterranean prawn nila, may kasamang Persian salad. So try naman natin yung prawn plus yung Mediterranean salad.
This is really maanghang. I'm gonna jump to the next dish, guys. This is really spicy. Okay, I'm gonna go for their chicken kebab dito banda. Inside, guys, it's not your typical, rolled over chicken. It has spices in it. Actually, medyo color dilaw yung kulay niya sa loob. Let's taste it.
Sarap ng Mediterranean prawn nila with the Persian salad.
So, just a little bit of information about Jooniper. So, they are located po dito sa along MacArthur Highway ng Baliti, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. As of now, they are open from 1 p.m. up until 9 p.m. So, this is the only Persian and Mediterranean restaurant,
Yes.
authentic, na it has dine-in. So, yeah.
Actually, lumalapit na yung mga international dish sa mga Kapampangan.
Actually, no? Ooh. Wow, I'm gonna try this one, guys. So, let's open this pita right here. Yeah, hawakan mo. I'm gonna get the chicken. I'm gonna try their chicken, guys. You put it in the middle. Yeah, you put in tomatoes. I want it crushed, guys. I want it crushed. Crushed tomatoes. And then some onions. And then another,
Chewy.
cool chili. And then you wrap it. Actually, para siyang shawarma. So, this is I think the origin of shawarma. Parang ganyan.
Crystal po.
You're not lying, man. You know what? Kapag titignan mo siya, it's like a heavy meal. But when you actually eat it, it's so light, it's so refreshing. Plus additional, other taste and flavor. Let's dip in dito sa garlic mayo nila. Because I always see, other shawarma. Ito yung dinidip nila eh. Let's go for another bite, guys. Wow. Solid, man. I'm not lying, man. I'm not lying. As I told you, it is so light. It is so refreshing. I like the vegetables in it. And then, chicken kebab. Oh, wow. Would like to thank Jooniper for inviting us and experience this feast, this heavy feast, guys. If you're interested to dine here, again, they are open from 1 p.m. up until 9 p.m. Guys, if you want authentic
Persian and Mediterranean dishes, visit Jooniper.
check out Jooniper, guys. We're still gonna enjoy this.
So that's it.
Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga, guys.
Until our next discovery.